Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change phone ringtones on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys feel bored about your ringtones on your phone, so don't need to be worried because Redmi Note 14 provides a lot of ringtones with various genres that you can change every day. And so yeah, how to change the phone ringtones is very easy. So now let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, the first, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And then now you can click on the ringtone. And so yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of ringtones with various genre that you can change. And for example, I will choose this one, and you can click for download, and you can choose for ringtone first. And if you finish download, now you can choose any more. And so yeah, the ringtone has been applied to your phone. Alright guys, so yeah, it is right, and here's the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on next video. Bye.